Welcome! I have some exciting pop-up cards to share with you. These Sliceform cards have a message banner on the front and reveal a surprise pop-up hot air balloon scene when they are opened. There are 4 styles to choose from, and each card has 2 different banner messages that you can use. The Sliceform balloon and pop-up pieces are assembled the same for each of these cards. First, let's make the hot air balloon. Lay out the balloon pieces like this. Group the large pieces, the medium pieces, and the small pieces in the order shown here. To assemble the balloon, start by connecting the middle slits of the 2 large balloon pieces. These make an X, which is the center of the balloon. Next, add the medium-sized pieces, using the middle slits. The front of each piece added should face outward. Add the first medium piece from the bottom up. Check to make sure the tab is on the bottom right. Turn the card to the left. Add the next medium piece from the top down. Turn the card to the left. Add the next medium piece from the bottom up. And turn the card to the left. Then add the last medium piece from the top down. The tab should be on the bottom left. Check to make sure that both of the bottom tabs on the medium pieces are in the correct location. If they are not, then take the balloon apart and assemble it again. To stabilize the bottom of the balloon, glue the little rectangles to the long slits at the base of the balloon. Then fold the side tabs and glue them to the rectangles. Add the small pieces to complete the balloon. The attachment pieces look different for each of the card themes. The cloud versions are easy to layer and glue together. For the firework attachment, glue the red, the white, and then the blue layers onto both ends to make the fireworks. Now it's time to connect the pop-up attachments to the card. I will assemble the birthday card, but all the themes assemble in the same way. Start with the hot air balloon. Insert the 2 tabs on the bottom into the set of slits closest to the bottom of the card. On the underside of the card, gently pull the tabs tight and close the card. Glue the tabs in place. When the glue is dry, open the card. Now let's move to the basket. Fold each score line on the basket piece forward. Wrap it around the base of the attached balloon. Line the bottom tabs up with the next set of card slits. Place glue on the side tab and make the basket square. Insert the basket tabs into the slits. Pull tight, close the card, and glue. Fold the small attachment along the score line. Connect the small attachment by inserting the tabs in the next set of card slits. Pull tight, close the card, and glue. Fold the large attachment along the score line. Add the large attachment in the last set of card slits. Pull tight, close the card, and glue. Center the inner card piece inside the outer card piece. Glue around the 3 edges. Flip the card over and glue the 3 edges of the other side of the card. Add the embellishments and the selected message banner to the front of the card. The beautiful pop-up scenery in these hot air balloon cards would be the perfect way to say thinking of you or thank you, or to celebrate holidays, graduation, anniversaries, weddings, or birthdays. Thanks for making the Sliceform card with me. I hope you have a wonderful day.